Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can install skins on Steam. So this is for your custom themes. And the first thing that we'll do is go into Steam Brew that app and from here install Millennium because we would need this in order for us to install Steam. So this is very easy. So basically just copy this code right here and then open up PowerShell, run it as administrator right here and just paste the code, hit enter. And there it is. Just wait for it to finish installing on your computer. And there it is. As you can see, it says installation complete. So don't mind this red text right here. I just accidentally um, pasted it 2 times. That is why this is like that. So once you have installed this successfully, the next thing is that you want to go here into Steam Brew app/themes, and this is where you can pick your themes. So in here, I chose Windows 95 right here, and I click here on View Source to download this, and basically click here on Code and click on Download as zip. So in here, I already have my file right here, so my Win95 theme. All you have to do now is just copy this folder once you have extracted it. And from here, you want to go into the location of your Steam folders. In my case, it's in Program Files 86 in my disk C. So from here, I am going to go into my Steam folder right there and open up the Steam UI folder here. And then you want to go into Skins and just paste the folder right here of your theme. After that, you want to now open Steam and just click on yes. So here I have my Steam opened now. And from here to activate the theme is that I'm going to click here on Steam. And then from here, click on settings. And now you should have these options, plugins, themes, and updates, and so on. So you want to go for theme and then just choose the theme that you have currently added to the skins folder and click on restart now. And then your Steam will now restart. And then you would now have your theme activated just like that. So yeah, this is how you do it. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.